I broke one everyday item and it made me declutter 50 things with zero regret. It worked so well because I stopped asking the usual minimalist questions: do I need this, or does it spark joy? And I started asking one very different question. So let me show you how it works so you can try the same today. I broke one everyday item in my minimalist home and I was going to replace it. According to the minimalist rule, one in, one out, you discard one item, you buy a new one. This would have been the end of the story and the end of this video. But instead of replacing it, I ended up decluttering 50 items. What happened? And I realized that I need to ask a different question about that broken item. Not, do I need this, but what do I need this for? Instead of asking about the item, ask about its use case. After I asked myself, what do I need this for? It was like a light switch flipped. I have this iron only because I needed to iron one specific pair of curtains. I bought these curtains to perfectly match my futon. Same color, same fabric. The perfect match sparked joy and I was willing to wash and iron them. But after I moved to my new home, everything changed. I replaced them with blackout curtains for the bedroom. The old curtains ended up in the living room. They no longer matched anything. They no longer served their original purpose. The spark of joy was gone. The use case was completely outdated. But I was still keeping washing and ironing those curtains. That one realization opened the floodgates. I decluttered a pair of curtains, the tie-backs which were not fitting the style of my new home anyway, the care instructions for the curtains, 20 pleating hooks, 20 hanging hooks, one broken iron, 2 accessories for the iron, the instruction manual for the iron, one ironing board. In total, 50 items left my home with zero regret and no self-doubt. That one simple question, what do I need this item for, changed everything. It switched the focus from the item to its use case. This mindset shift has been a game changer for me and I hope it helps you too. So let me know in the comment if it works for you and see you in the next video.